Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel, ViralTales AI. Capture the untapped, the unconventional, and the unbelievable. Super simple AI app makes us $567 day posting little 2-minute kid story videos and exploiting a unknown YouTube secret without any skills, creativity or budget. Create unlimited YouTube kids story videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers and commissions even for newbies. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Capture the untapped, the unconventional, the unbelievable. No competition in this highly profitable niche. First mover advantage and dominance. Be an early adopter of the first AI-powered storytelling software. Save time, money, effort and resources. No need for complex tools or outsourcing. Everything under one dashboard. YouTube's promotion of kid-friendly content. Benefit from YouTube's favoritism of kids' content leading to millions of views and subscribers. Newbie-friendly and easy to use. No technical skills required. Designed for quick results. Tap into an evergreen and multi-billion-dollar market. Profit from the booming kids entertainment industry. Get fast results. See almost instant results with our 3's framework and AI technology. Low one-time price during launch period. Only free commercial license allowing you sell kids story videos created with ViralTales AI. Create simple kids story videos that attract millions of views, subs and commissions in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from our library of pre-made templates, copy, paste or craft a compelling and engaging kid story in just 1 click with AI. Step 2. Our AI then converts it to scenes, add text, images, voiceovers, music, branding and more to make it unique and engaging. Hit generate. Step 3. In minutes, your high-quality animated kids story video will be ready to be shared on YouTube, attracting millions of views and subscribers. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.